So students, we are going to see how to write message writing. So one by one we'll see. First, a message is a short piece of information that is written for someone to whom one is unable to speak for some reason. Sometimes a message is passed on through a telephone. A message can be written based on some written inputs instead of telephonic conversation. The main point of conversation should be incorporated in the message accurately and clearly. For example, an announcement or written notes that should be written incorporated very clearly. There are some points that should be remembered where we are writing message. Like a message should be enclosed in a box. That means it should be put in a box. It should be written in proper format. Word limit should be followed. Generally, it's a 50 words. Message can be written as an informal or as a formal notes. This is the format of message. Here we are seeing the first. We'll make a box on the top. On the top in the center, we'll write message in capital letter and it should be underlined. Second come date, that we'll write date is written towards the left. Third come time, time is written towards the right. Fourth, here like Mr. Dua or anything that. Fifth, the body of the message, and here the name of the whoever is writing the message, those name. It's a it is an example of message. Here is a telephonic conversation is given and there is an example of message. So read it. You are Rohit. You received a phone call from your father's office in his absence and have the following conversation with the speaker. Write a message for your father as you have to go for your tuition. Put the message in a box. Mr. Gupta, I am Suresh Gupta. Can I talk to Mr. Mahajan? Yourself. I am afraid Daddy is not at home. Do you have any message for him? Mr. Gupta, yes. Please tell him that the meeting fixed for tomorrow, that is on 5th June, has been cancelled. Okay, anything else? Tell him that we shall let him know as and when the next date is for the meeting is fixed. Okay, yourself. Okay, uncle. I shall tell daddy when he comes back. Now, on that same topic, this is a small short message. So first it is written message, it has been underlined. Second, the date 25th August 2020. Third, here the time, it is given 6 p.m. Fourth, here just salutation, introduction. And now the main body of message. Mr. Gupta called from your office on telephone stating that the meeting scheduled for tomorrow, that is on 15th, has been cancelled. He also informed that they will let you know as and when the next date is fixed for the meeting. Your name. This is the way of writing message. So practice writing message. Some message will be given to you.